Hey friends, in this video I will show you that how to apply typography effect in Adobe Photoshop. So first you can open the Photoshop and create a document, and here you can type something. For example, I will type planet and we will type like capital letters, and see, we will increase the size. And now this, if you want, like you can go to window, character, and from here, like you can increase or decrease the space you can see in between letters. So I will use like -10. Okay. And now you can right click on the layer, text layer, and you can change it, like you can convert it to shape. So Photoshop will incredibly convert this layer to shape layer. Now you can select from here direct selection tool. And for example, if you want to apply typography effect from the bottom of this character, so you can select, and then now you can use down arrow keys and up keys. It's up to you according to your requirement. Again, I will select, for example, this one. Now see, I will use top arrow key on the keyboard. And again, I will select, for example, this one. See? So from one side now I selected. See? If I select both of them like this, now both selected, so one side will go down. See? So how easily you can see you can apply this typography effect in Adobe Photoshop. And once you have done, for example, I will select from here. Okay. Now you can go to File and you can go to Place Embedded, and we will place our image. For example, this one. And now you can go to Layer, you can apply Clipping Mask. So create Clipping Mask, and you can see clipping mask has been created. See, amazing. So the typography effect has been done. Now, even if you want, this is an additional thing. Till here, we have done our, the thing that we discussed in the video, like how to apply typography effect. Now, additional, if you want to apply to text, like, like stroke line, border line, or shadow, so you can go to this layer, double click here. Make sure to click here, not where it's, written the name, like here, or you can right click and click on blending options. Now you can see like stroke if you want to apply, so you can see an outline has been applied. See? And if you want like drop shadow, so the drop shadow you can see here, you can increase the distance and spread if you want, size if you want to change. These all things, you can apply, and it looks, amazing. So now you can see the typography effect looks amazing. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. Thank you so much once again.